Yeah. Oh, hell, man. I'm back. Fresh out the chain gang, nigga.
YouTube. We got a long one. Oh, yeah. It's long, though. I done started up here already. I want to have some work done before I start vlogging today. Let me turn this camera around for y'all. Did all this, I did all that. Right there where my surface clean at, that's why I stopped it. I'm about to go put my phone on the charger, y'all. Cause I forgot to put my phone on the charger last night. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm right here. I done did all that. I gotta do all this. I really started right here. I gotta hit stop from right there and just blow that down. But I gotta wash this whole house. This house washed up. I'm gonna touch that little wall up. I can't leave it dirty, you know. Knock that little red dirt off of there real quick. All right, y'all, we right here with it. I'm finna rinse from right here to where my surface clean at. Apply the chemical to the front. I got everything up here post-treated already. Got all this stuff soaking clean up through here. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff soaking. I'm about to come back and rinse it down. And then I'm gonna rinse that down. Now I'm about to rinse that down first. Cause I just did that. So I'm gonna come back and rinse that down. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. Go on and rinse down what I did. Rinse that down and start back knocking the rest of this driveway out. Clean the rest of this house. Front walkway clean. I had sprayed my chemical to these stairs again. They're looking good, like I just painted. But I gotta rinse it down again. It's gonna look great. Gonna get these gutters and soffits sprayed down. This is an easy job. When we leave here, we got another one, y'all. Dirty driveway, super, super, super dirty. Never been cleaned. In almost 40 years, that lady been there. Okay, appreciate it. All right, y'all. Let's get back to it. Let's get it. Got to hit all this. Got all that hit. I got all my hoses pulled so I can reach around that backside. I got another 50 in the truck just in case I run out and I need more. I put my turbo nozzle on that. If anybody know any chemical or any, you know, I know hot water will probably remove it, but I don't have hot water. But do anybody know a technique to remove a stain like this, a tire stain? Let me know, man. Comment down below. It'll help me a lot, for real, and it may help somebody else. For real, let me know. Other than that, this driveway look good. It's post-treated. We about to wash this house now. Got everything soaking. I went on here and soaked this before I started knocking this out. So I'm really rinsing everything down over there, and I'm about to start applying my chemical to this house. This house fairly newly renovated, so it's kind of clean. It's just dirty because it's been going through the seasons. So we about to tighten it up real quick, y'all, and go to this next job. All right, y'all. About to show y'all what it look like. Get on to the next job, the house clean. It's a big driveway, the hill, it's a real hill. Everything clean up under there. Even the ground clean. Whew. That's a mean walk up that hill, boy. All that cleaned up. I'm breathing hard. I'm sorry. Man, I'm about to go get some lunch before I go to this other job. Clean. Clean enough. Come on this side so y'all can really see it. Gutters clean and everything. I like, comment, and subscribe. We on the way to the next one. Let's go. All right, y'all. This is what we looking like on the second job. This driveway never been clean ever. This shit been here almost 40 years. And this concrete never been clean ever. That board was laying right there. So was that. I moved it. But look at this. Touch all that up. All this. Touch all this up. We're gonna soft wash this. All these, look at these stairs. We're gonna soft wash this real good. Might put that X-Jet on that. Let's get it. Y'all already got my water hole pulled. I'm about to get it cracking. Getting into it, y'all. Y'all can see day and night time. Y'all can see it. Got all that cleaned up though. Everything down through there. We threw that in free. No. Elderly special, man. You know what I'm saying? We look out for the elderlies if we don't look out for nobody. Got all that hit. About to go and knock this on out real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Y'all stay tuned. Trying to knock this out. I don't want to be doing too much vlogging here. Cause these folk be looking out, they looking out the window and everything around here. For real. I'm gonna go on and get it in real quick and show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Y'all can see it though. Day and night, before, after. I ain't even post-treated or nothing, but I pre-treated it with my X-Jet. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Look at that. Look good. All the way up. Post-treated it. Concrete still wet. Super, super wet. So when it dry up, it's gonna look a whole lot better. We ain't clean the rails. We ain't do none of the house. Just the stairs right here. All of that in the driveway. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. We out of here.
Fuck, man. Nigga done ran off in the spot, man. Man, let me pick up the phone and call Casino, man. Fuck. Knew I couldn't trust that nigga, man. Damn. Hello? Cause they all turn to enemies. I said they all turn to enemies. All I need is my type of money and family. Fuck a friend, cause they all turn to enemies. All I need is my type of money and family. I got the